Good morning, students. I hope you all have done section B, part A, B, C. Now we are going to cover part D, that's short answer type 2 questions. You have to do these questions in the notebook. Okay. Give two similar and two different between a laboratory and a clinical thermometer. Means two similarities and two dissimilarities we have to tell. Laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure temperatures other than the human body temperature, and in clinical thermometer it is used to measure body temperatures only. In this case we have to, while using it, reading it, we have to tilt it and we have to keep it upright. Its temperature is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, and temperature ranges from 35 to 42 degree centigrade. The two similarities between these two thermometers are that laboratory and clinical thermometer are used to measure temperatures. Mercury is used in both the thermometers. Next question is, what is meant by bad conductor of heat? Give example. The two materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductor of heat, even insulators also. So paper, wood, leather, so on, these are all the examples of insulators. Question third. Draw a label diagram in to show transfer of heat by convection when water taken in a flask heated. Now you have to draw this diagram from the book that I have written the page number Fig 4.19 and page 52. And what is the explanation? When water is taken in a flask, heat the flask from the bottom. The hot water expands and becomes lighter, so it rises upwards and carries heat to the surface. The cold water present on the surface is being heavier and moves downwards by the side of the flask to take the place of rising water towards the source of the heat. After some time, this water also gets heated and rises upwards, and cold water from the above will take it place. In this case, transfer of heat takes place by the actual movement of the particles of the liquid. That is the method of convection only. Okay. Next question is, how is radiation different from conduction? Convection for transfer of heat. Now, conduction is the transfer of heat energy by direct contact of two bodies. Convection is the movement of heat by actual motion of matter, and radiation is the transfer of energy without any medium. It takes place with the help of electromagnetic waves. Next question is, Nikita neighbor Mrs. Sharma is an old lady and lives alone. She doesn't want keep well. Nikita takes some hot homemade vegetable soup made by her mother in a thermoflask for her. A part, why does Nikita mother use a thermoflask? Answer is, Nikita mother used a thermoflask as it keeps hot things hot and she wants to serve her hot soup. Of course she is using the thermoflask, right? What value can we learn from Nikita? We should respect our elders and must help others as Nikita do. Okay. Long answer questions. Describe the construction of laboratory thermometers and give two precautions to be taken while reading the laboratory thermometer. Constructions of a laboratory thermometer, you can draw the fig from the book. Laboratory thermometer is used in the laboratories for measuring temperature. It consists of a very fine capillary tube protected by a thick glass tube called stem. The lower end of this tube is converted into a glass bulb filled with mercury, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. The stem is marked in 0 degrees Celsius and 0 degree Fahrenheit, as from minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Precautions: the temperature thermometer should be kept upright, not tilted, and the means upright is this straight, not this way. Okay. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. Okay, it should be covered from both the sides with the liquid. Okay. Next is, give the reasons of the following. Cooking utensils are made of metals. Cooking utensils are made of metal because they are good conductor of heat. Pressure cooker is provided with bakelite handles. Why? Pressure cooker is provided bakelite handles because bakelite will not allow to pass heat through it. Air conditioned buildings have double walled windows because air trapped between two layers act as an insulators, of which prevents outside heat entering into the building, which helps to keep it cool. False ceiling keeps the room warm during winters because false ceiling has air trapped in it, and as air is a bad conductor of heat, it does not move from room to outside. Next is asbestos sheets are preferred over iron sheets for roofing because asbestos is an insulator, so it keeps a room warm during winters and cool during summers. Next is, you can see, yes, now it is, draw a label diagram of a thermo flask. Answer the following. Now you have to draw the figure 4.24 on page 55. It is given. Why is the air removed from space between the two walls of glass bottle? Air removed from space between the two walls of glass bottle, as in vacuum, conduction and convection will not take place. So a hot liquid remains hot and a cold liquid remains cold inside the thermo flask. Next B part is, why is the glass bottle held in a place inside the metal case with the help of a cork piece? The glass bottle held in a place inside the metal case with the help of a cork piece, as cork is a bad conductor of heat and it prevents transfer of heat by conduction. We have done with the question answers till part E, and you have to do this work regularly in your notebooks. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day.